Hi, my name's David and I'm one of the newsreaders at Radio Jackie. So today, since it's an absolutely lovely day outside, I thought you'd like to come and join me on one of my bike rides. So the hotel and pub that you just saw me go past a second ago, that was a 16th century old mill. There it is, just coming into shot now. I'm actually on the middle of an island, and that used to use a water wheel to power all the machinery inside the building. The painter John Constable, he used to do a lot of his work around here, and there's even said to be some of his artwork depicting some of this very particular area. So we've now moved away from the meadowland and into the edge of the town, and believe it or not, this is the high street. So the place where I live is a medieval city. Obviously you can probably guess by now that it's just slightly outside of London, and this is called Poultry Cross. Now back in ye olden times, a lot of trading was done around this area, and this is where apparently they used to swap and sell chickens. The lockdown has changed things dramatically across the entire UK, and this is just a very typical example of what's happened around here. Normally this is an area called Butcher's Row, and it's absolutely packed and heaving with people, but as you can see there's nobody around at all. This is the main market square. It's obviously not market day today, but lots of events get held on here, like car rallies and sporting events, and even concerts are held around here. Not in a moment. It is a real shame. So I said it's quite old where I live. Just to give you an idea, this is the main Odeon cinema. So I've been working with Radio Jackie for about 5 years now. I started off doing traffic and travel before moving on to news, and now I've got a regular slot on the Friday evening, 6 PM till midnight. I love the place so much that I'm even happy to do a 200-mile round trip every week to do it, because this is where I live. I'm in the medieval city of Salisbury. Hope you enjoyed the little video today, and as soon as lockdown's over, you'll hear me back on air again Friday nights, 6 PM till midnight. That's the latest. I'm David Walker.